What's the meaning of aureole? Aureole. Aureole.
Aureole. Aureole. An aureole is a bright light or a ring of light that surrounds a person or object, often associated with holiness or divinity. The term is commonly used in art to depict religious figures, such as angels and saints, and is also seen in literature and mythology. The aureole is typically depicted as a circular or oval shape and can represent spiritual power or enlightenment. It is often depicted as radiating out from the figure, conveying a sense of divine energy or holiness. Overall, the aureole represents spiritual illumination and transcendence.